Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open services. So once we are here, just scroll down and search for Windows Update. Then right click on it, select properties. Then go to startup type and select disabled. Now click on apply. Then we need to stop the services, so click on stop. After that, click on OK and close this window and simply move to the next step. Now go to search bar and type your edit group policy, and from the search results click here to open it. It will open local group policy editor window. Then just expand this, and after from computer configuration expand administrative templates, then expand Windows components, then scroll down and expand Windows update, then click on manage and user experience. On the right side click on standard, and from here we need to select configure automatic updates. So right click on it, select edit. Now on this window select disable, then click on apply and then OK. Restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go.